Hello everyone, a very warm good morning to all. I just hope you have enjoyed the yesterday classes. I know that was a little new experience for you. Yeah, it must be very interesting on a learning basis. Yeah, I too had enjoyed with interacting to you. I just hope you guys are taking much more interest in studying like this. As you know, because of this coronavirus, we had gone online. This is only for you. As we have seen about the ice cream poem, we had discussed the ice cream poem yesterday. Today we will summarize a quick recap of the poem. What is cold, sweet and creamy and wonderful to eat? It was ice cream. And I have also asked you about your favorite flavor. Yeah, we will take a quick recap of the poem. Let's just do that. So, it is a poem which was written by Rachel Field. Yeah, Rachel Field was an American novelist, poet, and children's fiction writer. She is the best for the Newbery Award. She also won a National Book Award. She was born on 19 September 1894 and died on 15 March 1942. Now see what she has explained about the children's joy towards the ice cream. So she explained that children get overjoyed, get enthusiastic when they are seeing ice cream. And for the ice cream man riding his cart on a hot summer day. He brings a cart with a round umbrella. He brings ice cream with different flavors. Children get overjoyed when they see ice cream. When the ice cream man mounts the cones with different flavors of ice cream. He also sells colorful cold drinks with green, orange, white or pink in color. The speaker also compared the ice cream cart with a garden of flowers where children are clustering surrounding the cart like a honey bee. So this was the main meaning of the poem which Rachel Field wanted to show you. Now we will go through the new words which we have seen in the poem. Blaze. The first one is blaze, bright flame or fire. Second one is trundling, moving on small broad wheels. Mounts, heap, pipe, frosty feast, chilled drink, making a hissing, bubbling sound. Cluster, gather round, group of similar things. So these are the new words. And today what you will get a new assignment, in that also some new words are given. You have to take a help from dictionary and find out the words and memorize it. Now the next one is reading is fun. So the first one is, in which season is ice cream popular? Do you know that? In which season ice cream gets popular most? Yeah, it is in the summer season. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Can you guess? Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Yeah, I know. You know the answer. It's the children. Name the different flavor of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. It is about the poem Ice Cream Man, what he has brought in his cart. So what was that? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Yes. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? What are the two things the ice cream man was selling? The ice cream man was selling ice cream, and chilly things to drink. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? The ice cream cart compared to a flower bed. Let's write. Having an ice cream on a hot summer day is exciting and enjoyable. Write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in winter season. Means it is your choice. What do you like in winter season? Like what do you like in summer season? You must have some choices for winter season also. Things you have to write. Whatever the things you like in winter season, you can write it here. Second one is list as many summer activities as you can. Like in summer, what you want to do in activities like cricket, football, whatever the things you are writing here, the activities what you are doing in summer, you just write it here. And now the third one, now group these activities into indoor and outdoor activities. Though what you will write in upper section, question number 2, what the summer activities you will write there, like chess, carom, whatever the things, you have to now in third question, you have to make it another section for indoor activities and for outdoor activities. Now the next one is say aloud. Circle the word where you get a z sound. One is done for you. You must have heard the z sound. So one is done for you, honey bees z sound. So wherever you will find that z sound, you have to circle it. Like price. Didn't hear the z sound? Second one, prize. You are hearing it, prize. So you have to circle that word when it will end with z sound. Okay? Next one is let's listen. First, listen and tell the sound that these words in the poem produce. Card and drinks. So can you make this sound? What are the sound made by cart and drinks in the poem? Second one, what are some of the sound you hear when the ice cream man comes? Means whatever the sound you hear when the ice cream man is arriving at your places. So this is all about today. Go through questions, go through assignment work, and go through word meanings, study that word meaning, study poem, and study about writers. Okay. In question, it is given there, write 3 sentences about the poet Rachel Phil. If you will go through the video again, you will hear about Rachel Phil. And in assignment work 2, it is given, give a short brief about the given stanza. So all the best for today and go and do your homeworks properly.